Converting PST to CSV helps users extract structured email information for Excel-based reporting and analysis. In today's video, we'll explain how you can easily convert PST files to CSV format for data analysis, audits, and custom reporting needs. Why export PST files to CSV? You can convert your email data into an Excel-friendly format. This allows you to create custom reports and dashboards effortlessly. It also simplifies audits and compliance checks by presenting data in a structured way. The only tool that can help, simply download and install the Advik PST Converter tool. Key features of Advik PST Converter tool. It allows you to convert PST to CSV as well as more than 30 other file formats. The tool preserves email attachments and complete metadata. It supports bulk PST conversion and large-size PST files without performance issues. Folder structure and hierarchy are fully maintained during conversion. No Microsoft Outlook installation is required, and it is compatible with all Windows versions. Now let's see how easy it is to convert PST to CSV using this tool. Run the Advik PST Converter tool on your PC. Click on Select Files or Select Folders to add your PST file. Select the required PST mailbox folders and click Next. Choose CSV as the saving option from the list. Select the destination path and click on the Convert button. That's it. Your PST file will be successfully converted into CSV format. Converting PST to CSV is the best solution for users who need structured email data. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more email migration tutorials.